Hello, my name is Carolina Andahar, and today we'll be demonstrating the Executive Series GSE storage bags. Utilizing Sesame Storage Solutions provides complete protection for all your executive products while saving space in your aircraft and allowing your GSE to easily join your travels. So no matter where you're flying, your aircraft feels at home with premium protection. The Executive Series GSE storage bags are made of heavy-duty ballistic nylon, making them tolerant to extreme weather conditions. The heavy-duty zippers prevent FOD intrusion, keeping your Executive Series GSE products safe and free of damage. The Avionics Storage Bag compact design safely and neatly stores your Avionics Executive Series GSE components. It is constructed with side pockets for additional storage. The IPEX pole storage bag is constructed with magnetic locks that secure the bag opening. It is adjustable to accommodate all three available pole lengths. The engine shield storage bag holds 2 engine shields and has storage compartments for the IPEX micro tool and the diamond engine shield manual. Zip-away portions make the bag expandable so that it can accommodate a wider range of shield sizes. It is compatible with both vertical and horizontal engine shields. Sesame Technologies Incorporated is a proven leader in the field of ground support equipment, and we thank you for making us part of your maintenance program. Thank you for choosing Sesame Technologies Incorporated Executive Series GSE for your aircraft protection needs.